The biggest key to your LinkedIn success. Now, if you noticed, I didn't say key. I didn't say keys. I said key. And there's a reason why. So, why I am talking about the one singular key to your LinkedIn success is because this singular key makes all the other aspects of LinkedIn work or not. Now, before I dive into today's episode, today's training, I'm doing something very special for anyone watching or anyone listening. So, if you're watching on social, whether it be LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube, if you type 5 layers, the number 5 and then layers in the comments, I'm going to send you a link and a coupon code to download a course of mine called The 5 Layers of LinkedIn, which is typically a $197 course, but I'm giving it away all this week for free. So all you have to do, again, is type in 5 layers, the number 5, and then layers, and I will send you the link and the coupon code to zero it out, and it's going to go over LinkedIn profile tips, network building, messaging, content, nurturing. It's 5 modules, 55 minutes in total. It'll show you exactly what needs to get done, and you have lifetime access to it. Now, if you're listening on the podcast, I'm going to leave the link and the coupon code in the description of the episode. So just go there, click the link, apply the coupon code. It will zero it out. So all this week, my 5 layers of LinkedIn course, which is typically about $200, is completely free all this week with the coupon code that you're going to get if you comment 5 layers in the comments, or if you click on the link that will have the coupon code with it in the description of the podcast episode. So what is the biggest key to your LinkedIn success? Is it your LinkedIn profile? Is it your messaging? Is it your content? Is it the way that you nurture people in your network, engage with them? Now, I will say all of those are keys that piggyback off of the main key. And that main key to all of your LinkedIn success, meaning more profile visibility, more responses to your messages, more engagement with your content, more people to engage with that engage with you and nurturing, that number one key is the quality of your connections. That's it. The quality of your connections. If you have the wrong connections in your network, you're not going to have any profile views or profile visits. You're not going to have people, accepting your connection request. And even if they do, they're not going to respond to your message. You're not going to get people engaging in your content because it's not resonating with them, because it's not directed towards them. And you're not going to have the right kind of people to engage with in your own newsfeed, which means they're not going to be engaging back with you. I know that sounds so elementary and so simple, but it is so true. The quality of your network, the quality of your engagement, the quality of your response to messaging, all is predicated upon the quality of your connections. If you connect with the right people, you'll have more profile visits. If you connect with the right people, you'll have more people accepting your connection request and responding to your messages. If you have the right types of connections, you'll have people engaging in them, because guess what? That content is geared towards them. You'll have more of the right people posting the right kind of stuff in your own LinkedIn newsfeed that you'll engage with, and you'll have more engagement coming back and forth from nurturing and engaging in others and your content. But your failure to connect with the right people will block and prevent any of what I mentioned to happen. It is the truth. You have to think about, at the core, who are the people that A, I serve best with what I do, and B, who are the people that I can link arms with, collaborate with, joint ventures, referral partners. This has to be done from a professional title or business industry perspective. So I'm going to use myself as an example. So my ideal target clients are business coaches, business consultants, in any arena, any niche, service professionals, specifically attorneys, insurance agents, insurance brokers, finance professionals, CPAs. Those are the traditional service professionals, but also coaches, consultants, podcasters, I would also put in there as well. I know exactly who I need to connect with because I know who I can do business with and pass business to. And I know who's going to accept my connections and who's won't. So when I'm building my network and as I build my network on LinkedIn, when I'm connecting with people, I am only connecting with business coaches, business consultants, podcasters, authors, attorneys, service professionals, right? Could be any service professional. I will search that. They will resonate with my content. My content that I post is geared towards teaching coaches, consultants, and business professionals / service professionals how to leverage LinkedIn. So a few things happen. My profile is set up as such that when the ideal target potential client connection or business ally connection sees my profile, they're going to be like, oh, I could definitely refer business with this person, or I feel like this person could be of significant value to my network. I'm going to accept it. Then, if there's messaging that happens, which it always does, someone like that is going to be more open to getting on a call with you. That's what LinkedIn is all about. I feel any one of you that is watching this or listening to this that has hesitations about getting on calls with people, don't be. If you get sold and pitched to by the wrong person, simply hang up. But I can promise you, if you were to get on 10 calls a week with people that seem to be very genuine and really want to connect with you, out of those 10 calls, I promise you, 70% will be good calls. Maybe 30% won't, but you got to sort through those apples anyway. But sitting on the sidelines, right? Sitting on the sidelines and not doing any connecting, not doing any conversing with your network isn't going to move the needle of your business any more forward than it is right now. I'm going to give you an example. My amazing new friend and mastermind member, Courtney Burton, sent me a really, really nice connection request with a note attached to it, basically saying they've been seeing me pop up in their feed. They've been seeing my content. They would love to learn more about me and my business and explore how we can support each other and potentially help each other grow here on LinkedIn. And I am always up for a conversation. So we got on there. We had a great 30-minute conversation. And she said, you know what, Scott? She goes, this was great. Like, I know exactly what you do now. You know exactly what I do. And she goes, I really appreciate you being willing to get on the phone with someone that you didn't know. And I said, Courtney, that's why I'm on LinkedIn. I want to expand my network of connections. I want to expand my business relationships. And she actually sent me a really nice follow-up email, just being very appreciative and grateful for the time that I gave her to talk. She ended up joining a workshop that we just did. And lo and behold, we had a call yesterday or 2 days ago, and she joined our group coaching program. And that opportunity to work directly with Courtney wouldn't have happened if I wouldn't have said, you know what, let me get on a Zoom with this person. They sent me a connection request. I replied back. Here's a link to my calendar, or drop yours and we can schedule a time to talk. She did with no hesitation. And now we're going to help each other, by me working with her and her being in our high-level group program. That's why it's important to have the right connections. I can't express this enough to you guys. When you are connecting with people on LinkedIn, make sure that you're so clear and you're so super direct with who you're connecting with. And just to kind of walk you through just an example, how easy it is. When I'm on LinkedIn, I just go right to the search bar. I will search business coach, consultant. And after I do my search, I will always filter by second connections, because those are the people that you're freely to connect to. And then I will go down and I will look for people to connect with. This person right here, consultant, business coach, I'm going to connect. I'm going to send without a note. The only time I add a note is if I actually know the person. If I don't know the person, I will not add a note. I will just send a connection request. So again, I'm just planting some seeds, and I want to talk to these people. I am not in any way, shape, or form going to be looking to pitch these people. I am looking to connect with these people to make sure that I'm talking to the right person, how we can work together potentially, or refer business. And if it ends up falling into a place in a space where we end up doing some business together, then great. But if not, I above all else, I'm looking to form a great connection with these people. And that's all it is. I'm very clear and I'm very specific about who I'm searching for and who I'm connecting with. Again, all of the things that you want to see happen on LinkedIn are predicated, and the key to your success are your connections on LinkedIn. The quality connections lead to more visibility with your profile, leads to more people engaging in your content, accepting your connection request, responding to your messages, appearing in your feed to nurture each other's content. That all stems from having the right connections. Again, this week only, I am giving away my 5 layers of LinkedIn course for free. It's usually $197. If you're watching on social, all you have to do is type the word 5 layers in the comments. I will send you the link and the coupon code to zero it out. If you're listening on the podcast, just head to the description. The link and the coupon code are there for you. Enjoy it. It's going to go over in very simple terms, 55 minutes, 5 modules, lifetime access, my 5 keys, my 5 layers of LinkedIn success. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode and today's training. Remember, quality connections, the right connections lead to your LinkedIn success. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love and gratitude, and I'll talk to you next time.